520,681 total handle sa ating winner take all. That race was brought to you by Viva Prime. Replay hatid po sa atin ng Santana Park. Saksun.
Knockout babe, Mr. Jake Maderazo. Patok.
Gates open. The rough and racing a pretty nice event beginning to knock out babe. Jams for the eluded. Chuttle's best is by the second, and in third moving up is Maimpok. In the middle we have Perfect Pass, and getting the widest strip is a Tickle Pink as they round the 3/4 mile distance, doing 16 on the opening quarter. We have knocked out babe the early leader by a length and a half. Chuttle's best in second, and in third we have Maimpok. Perfect Pass. Royal Princess is in between horses, then 2 lengths back in 6 is Storm Gas. Racing second last Tickle Pink, while Barkadahan is running at the tail of the field. Past the half-mile pole, doing 25 and a half on the second quarter. Now we have 2 runners in a battle royale, but knockout babe refuses to surrender on Chuttle's best. Then 2 lengths back in third is a Royal Princess. Maimpok remains in fourth once again to take third. Knockout babe this time by about 2 lengths. Hands, sticks and heels on John Cordero on Chuttle's best. Maimpok remains in third now, closing in, doing 24 and a half on the third quarter. 3 and 50 to travel. Knockout babe by about 3 lengths now. Chuttle's best still hugging in second, and in third by the Maimpok and Storm Gas. Knockout babe doing it from start to finish and taking the second event. It's Knockout babe. Second, Chuttle's best, Maimpok. Then comes Storm Gas, Royal Princess, Barkadahan, Perfect Pass, and Tickle Pink.
5, 4, 1, and 6. Yan. Winner take all, 5,520,681. 681. 5.5. And out of that, isa rin lamado.
Konti lang.
Hindi, sa pick 6 to eh. Sa pick 6 to eh.
Hindi, kanina.
Ganun din? Ganun din?
Bagya lang. Pareho silang 2 million.
Point something.
Nasa fourth digit nagka,
Ito ang gustong makita ng ating mga connections. 134.6 sa 1450 with quarters of 16, 25 and a half, 24 and a half, and finishing at 28 and a half. May halo ng palo, tulak yan. 134.6 for this 2-year-old Bay filly ni Mr. Jake Maderazo. Knockout